Yo. What is up, guys? Guys, get my here with another reaction. Aha! Today, guys, today with the teacher, yeah, man, Vybz Kartel with God and Time. Yeah, man, God and Time. Official music video. Boom, I'm going to jump it down. I'm not wasting no time. Let's go. Big RR. Rolls Royce.
In the secret place of the Most High, shut up, bad shut.
Yo. Can I just say something? I see Vybz Kartel baptizing soon. I swear. I see the teacher baptizing soon and loving dancehall. I see it.
Of the Almighty. Selah.
And let's just say, it wouldn't be Vybz Kartel as the first dancehall artist who do this. We see others done it that had a crazy career. Like, yeah, a successful career.
God and Time.
Kartel!
I saw them stay a long time. They never want me great long time. But me say God and Time long time.
Boba! Hi! Well, on man, I saw them stay a long time. They never want we great long time. I saw them stay a long time. Them stay so. Remember saying from Teachers Back EP, him tell you saying them never want him bust like iron balloon. You see me? Now he's walking on them like a floor in a room. So I'm tell you, I saw them stay a long time. Them never want to see this.
Them never want me great long time.
Never want to see this.
But me say God and Time long time. Yeah, me say God and Time long time.
Yo, you catch it back. Me say God and Time long time. Yo, teacher, babe.
I saw them stay a long time. Them never want me great long time. But me say God and Time long time. Me say God and Time long time.
Yo, the G actually then I want church I shoot a video, brother.
All when them no want me if it better. Loving on me heart forever. Evil.
All them know. Wait.
Them no want me if it better. Loving on me heart forever. Evil can't move me, never. Remember, I just good deeds live on.
Yeah, them can't move. Evil can't move him, bro. Evil can't move. Yo, are the ice out, Are the ice out? Icy!
For me, just a hold on to God. In a good time, not just when it's hard. God, please use me if you walk and trample the bad mind wicked heart.
Yo, the man say. Basically, he must shout out, he must praise God in them good times, not just the bad times. Because some people only remember God when they're in a trouble, So he must tell you, say, yo, that is not the case. I'm not in no trouble, I'm here, I'm living my life, I'm free. But guess what? I go say, yo, God, is it?
I saw them stay a long time. They never want me great long time. But me say God and Time long time. Yeah, me say God and Time long time.
This is the next hit song. This is the next hit song like the other one we do where go crazy. The next God song. Yeah.
I saw them stay a long time. Them never want me great long time. But me say God and Time long time. Me say God and Time long time.
But hey, teacher. Who produces? Who produces? Directed by John. Not John. No one ever. Big up on yourself. Rope it them. Big up on yourself. Who produces? A teacher. It's bad.
Locking at the dungeon like Daniel. Back against the wall, then you know yourself. God alone me see when me a cry for help.
Yeah, I'm saying lock away in the dungeon like Daniel. Yeah, when him back against the wall, guess who him see? God alone. You remember say Kartel it done tell me say, yo, him did when him in a prison, him did say, God, if you get me out here, so I promise me I go serve you, me I go turn my life around. Kartel he's keeping his promise.
Bible and my mother prayer give me strength. Me lose but me win again. I'm alive, I tell you. So many lessons but so many blessings.
Man say me lose but me win again. Me lose but me win again. So him lose out upon 13 years of him life. And kids them life, grandkids, whatever. But guess what? There, I'm here win again. Thank God for life, because enough going and don't forward out alive.
For them want see your line and coffin still a show love matters where happen. I saw them stay a long time. Them never want me great long time.
Yo, that production team, yeah, big up on yourself, man. Big up on yourself.
But me say God and time, long time. Yeah, me say God and time, long time. I saw them stay a long time.
I see a G are going to the church. Where am I going to church? Where you think that G are in a church for do?
Them never want me great long time. But me say God and time, long time. Me say God and time, long time.
With that DJ Khaled, another one. Yeah, man, the G a turn him life around. The G forward going to church for do what? Turn him life around. Turn him life around and start praise the Almighty. And that him go to church. I think I go to church we go make a dop it. No. Yo, the man, I'll give you back some of the old clips them from previous shows, bro. Like some of the highlights. And me I tell you, say, bro, Kartel forward out and create history again, bro. Like, which we are.
So them stay a long time. Them never want me great long time. But me say God and time, long time. Yeah, me say God and time, long time.
As a blessing take time. That was the story. That was the headline of the paper that the guy was reading just now. It says blessing takes time.
I saw them stay a long time. Them never want me great long time. But me say God and time, long time. Me say God and time, long time.
And believe you me, if Kartel was to baptize, yo, I know for Gaza member them go Gaza fans them go baptize. No for them. My mommy. Yeah, man, directed by Ropey. Big up the whole production team. TJ. Big up yourself, TJ Records, Vybz Kartel Music. From the album, God and Time. Look out for the album. TJ Records. You know, say you're going to get the big song them from Teacher right now, bro. Are you, bro? Are you? Let me say, yo, right now, if Teacher was to baptize, a lot of people are going to follow suit and baptize. Yeah, Kartel, yo, go and go win a few souls for the Almighty Army, G. Go on. Yo, I wouldn't be surprised. We see Papa San do it. We see Lieutenant Sitchi do it. We see Lady Saw do it. Now known as Marian Hall. Big up, Mama. Bro, don't think for a minute if Kartel did that, people wouldn't say, yeah, the Teacher turned him life around. No, me I gotta do the same thing. Vybz Kartel is an inspirational person, bro. Whether you like him or not, he inspires a whole generation, bro. Like, come on, this is Teacher we're talking about. And a joke, isn't it? Yeah, dog. I mean, I want to think whatever they're gonna comment section still. I fuck with it. Yeah, I fuck with it. God on time, long time. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one.